Like what Aaron McConnell was saying earlier, just a few weeks ago was the something annual Hoku Hano Hano Awards, and for the second time in a row, Mahalo Kea Kua, we won Song of the Year. And I keep telling this person, the only reason why we won was because of her, not because of me. I'm old news. But at least I'd like to bring to the stage right now this lovely lady who helped me with this song that took top honors this year. Miss Myla Gibson, you guys saw her singing earlier.
And I always tell him thank you so much for picking me to do this song, because he's not old news. People love him, and he could have done this song with anybody, but for some reason he chose me, and I'm so blessed, so thank you.
I just thank Ho'okena for letting me borrow her, they try to, I wooed her from the world. But I'm gonna do this song for you. It's a song titled Kule My Love, from my album Kaihere, myself and Miss Myla Gibson.
I wanna
Kuana Gibson, everybody. Kumile may love.
Kuana Torres family, thank you.
Para kini, lucky, 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 lucky.